in today's video we have fire alarms that I made. Got one right there, and it's in my dad's room now. I also installed this in my room. So I used to have the fire alarm here, right? So I have the panel, and I got a simplex key, and then like pull station, the simplex pull station, simplex your mom, 3, 2, 1. Alright, let me reset the system. I have some in my grandma's room, but she's sleeping right now, so you don't want to distract her. I'll head downstairs. Alright, so there's the nearest fire alarm to the kitchen is right there, and it broke. So I installed a fire alarm for my grandma over there. All you haters are gonna be like, it's fake, it does absolute shit. Shush, haters. Alright, and over here, this switch absolutely does shit. So I switched to simplex fire alarm. 3, 2, 1. There you go. All you gotta do for this fire alarm to work, just pull it, and then pull it down, That's a lot of fire alarms. Alright guys, this should be the end. Peace.